to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Dive Club, a 12-episode youngster thriller drama, will begin filming in Queensland, Australia from subsequent month. The display will play on the international streaming platform Netflix and a neighborhood Australian business broadcaster from 2021. Dive Club follows a collection of professional teenage divers as they try to find a mysterious disappearance so one can extrude their small city and every different forever. Northern Queensland beach city Port Douglas will stand in for the fictitious Cape Mercy. Hayley McFarlane, Rhiannon Bannenberg and Christine Luby are set because of the display's directors. The display is produced with the aid of using the Steve Jaggi Company. Post-manufacturing is likewise to be treated in Kingdom with the aid of using Brisbane employer Serve Chilled. The manufacturing obtained finance from the Queensland authorities through Screen Queensland. The manufacturing of a dive club will function in compliance with the Queensland Screen Sector COVID-safe work plan evolved with the aid of using the Queensland authorities and Screen Queensland, an employer spokesman said. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. Several different movie and TV productions at the moment are cranking up in Australia, in which states and federal organizations months in the past evolved protocols for secure running in post-coronavirus conditions. A more stumbling block for a few has been the issue of acquiring coverage regulations that cover a COVID-associated incident. The trouble can also additionally now have been addressed with the aid of using the introduction of a federal authorities finance pool which affords a disease-associated cover. It will be premiering on 3rd September on Netflix. The Steve Jaggi Company has control to begin several. It is currently kidnapped additionally in Port Douglas. This Little Love of Mine was shot in far north Queensland in July and turned into the primary characteristic movie to enter manufacturing within the kingdom for the reason of that pandemic outbreak. The Dog Days of Christmas was filmed at Queensland's Gold Coast, in which it used the Warner Brothers Movie World subject matter park and hinterlands to face in for Vermont in winter. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our videos, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.